In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable tracking and fingerprint protection in your browsing sessions on Safari. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Safari button up in the top menu bar and then go down and select Settings. You want to select the Advanced button at the top right, and then you want to select underneath Privacy where it says Use Advanced Tracking and Fingerprint Protection. Go ahead and make sure that's checkmarked. And then if you click inside the drop-down, you want to select In All Browsing, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.